Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Crowd. In this video we are going to learn about what does it mean by indentation in a Python. So basically in Python, indentation is used to determine the grouping of code blocks, and it is a way of visually indicating which statement are part of a particular code block, such as a function, loop or conditional statement. And indentation is done before using a spaces or tabs, but it is important to be consistent in the style used throughout the code. So here we'll learn what how indentation work. So let's start with the code. I will just take one example. A is equal to 10, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and if a is equal to b, then print yes. Okay, next else print no. So if I will execute this code, this will give me an error. So let's try. Definitely it will give me an error. Okay, now I will execute the code, then it will give me an answer. So if I will just write here and then execute the code, then it will give me an indentation error. This is an indentation error. Why this giving the error? Because this is not in written a code block, which is a usually we are using in a Python. Because if right here, then else is also downside of the if. So this is a indentation error. We have this is called a indentation error. Now it will give me an answer, and if I write anywhere else, then it definitely give me an error. Okay, see, this is giving me a indentation error. So this is called a indentation in a Python. Hope you liked my video. Thank you everyone.